Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable AOD on Samsung phone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app of your Samsung phone. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on lock screen and AOD. Then under lock screen and AOD, locate and click on always on display. Then this is going to turn on always on display or AOD your Samsung phone. To change your always on display, click on it. Now it should say always on display on. Then come here, select when to show and choose when to show always on display on your Samsung phone. You can do this, always tap to show as schedule or for new notifications. You see that? And that's it. So that is exactly how to turn on or enable AOD on Samsung phone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.